Make relation with the imitation. Zzz. I don't think they served this on Elton John's airplane. What the fuck? I'm catering for steel magnolias too. Yeah, I'll do it. Show them a K1. Still alive? This isn't for the Cape Cod set. It's like Jackie Kennedy getting caught eating a Long John Silver's. Imitation crab is basically the hot dog of the ocean. When I eat it, I can almost hear the distant crashing of the waves. Sand in my hair. Thong. Basically made from minced fish that's been heated and pressed and given just a dose of crab oil in it. Vacuum packed. It's delicious. Shut up, eat it. It's good. Only cost me $3.79, I think. They say it won't keep in the fridge for more than 7 days. I just had it at 14 days and I have no issues at all with my gut.